Here is how you can set up products to sell in your store. The first step is to go under Store Management, Manage Products. You're going to see all of your different products that may have already been created. You can click the three dots for any of them and click Edit Product, Duplicate, or Delete. You can also create a new product by clicking New Product button. When you click the New Product button, you can put in a name. For example, this could be shirt. And then you can put a short description like Spirit Shirt. And you can even add more detail in the long description by putting Spirit Shirt in these sizes. And you could even put in a detail of what the shirt looks like. You could put anything you want in here. You could even put in a link if you have something that you're sharing as well. Any of this information, it can be formatted to however you want it to look. Then next you would put in the price. So let's say we're going to sell this Spirit Shirt for $10. If you want your customers to make a donation above the $10, you can actually allow them to enter a custom price and make the minimum cost $10. However, this is a shirt. It may be best just to keep a $10. You can create categories for these products and then they would show up here. I don't have any categories created other than donations or memberships, but if I did, I would be able to select that category for that product here. Then you can also add colors, sizes, or even custom fields that you want to track with the product. So with this shirt, let's say we want to have certain colors. We have a preset list of all these different colors that you can add for your product that they can select from. But let's say that we just want to do white, black, and gray. And if that's the case, then we can click the three dots for all the other colors and click Remove Field. And as you can see, I'm removing all the other colors except for white, black, and gray. And once it gets short enough, it starts changing it to be one of your top ones. So you got to be careful which field you have clicked the three dots for. So I've removed all the other fields but white, black, and gray. I'm going to make this a required field, and then I'm going to click Save. I can also click Add Sizes, and as you can see, it lists all the sizes except for a Youth Extra Small. So I want to add a Youth Extra Small to my list, and I just type it out here in the field options and click Add. And then I can click the arrows and I can drag it up to the top because I want it at the top of my list so that they go from smallest to largest sizes available. I do want to make that a required field as well. So I'm going to check that box and I would just simply click Save. I can add custom field. So let's say that I want this to be a student name. So I would do student name and I would make that a text field and put required. So now when they purchase this, they're going to have to answer that question, student name. Let's say that we want to make a teacher name field. Now let's say that we want this to be a select field. I'm going to turn on inventory on this. So I'm going to make it a multi-select field so that I don't have to put in inventory for those teachers. If I make it a select field and I turn on inventory, it will require me to enter inventory for each teacher, which I do not want to do that. So that's why I'm making that a multi-select. And then I will make that required. And now I'm going to add the different options that they can select from. So I'm going to type in Smith and click Add. Let's say that I want to have another teacher named Jones. And I'll type it in, click Add. And any other teachers, Bradley was another one. We'll click Save. And now we've done that. Now, if I want to create a contact property, if I have a contact property that I've created that maybe are you interested in volunteering, you can also add that here. And that's going to link through your contact properties. So that's what the contact property custom field would be. Like I said, I'm going to turn on inventory tracking for this product. And then I can adjust my visibility dates in the store. Let's say that we're doing pre-orders. So I want to expire my date in 1 month from now. So today's August 1st. So we'll take pre-orders for the entire month of August and then click Next. I can then add images of the shirt to show exactly what it looks like by just simply clicking Add Image. And then I'll have an option to select it. I don't have an image to upload at this time, but once I click Next, then I've done everything and I can click Save. And now my product is visible and I can simply adjust inventory from here.